developed by Mozilla. Rust is a systems programming language focused on three goals: safety, speed, and concurrency. It maintains these goals without having a garbage collector, making it a useful language in many number of use cases in which other languages aren't good. For example, embedding, programs with specific space and time requirements, writing efficient low-level code, device drivers, operating systems, etc. It has improved a lot on other current system languages, targeting these spaces by having a number of compile time safety checks that produce no runtime overhead, and doing this all while eliminating all data races. Rust has achieved zero-cost abstractions, even though some of these abstractions feel like those of a high-level language. Even then, Rust still allows precise control like a low-level language would. People call it as the language of the future. Mozilla is investing hugely into developing this language and developing the community around it. Again, I will say it is a systems programming language focused on safety, speed, and concurrency. So you should be learning Rust language if you are looking to advance your career, if you are looking to secure your career for the future. Why should you learn Rust? As I told you before, Rust is the programming language of the future. Let's understand why something becomes successful, why something becomes big. Something to become the next big thing should possess certain values. Like, is that thing useful? Is it adding value to our day-to-day lives? Is it providing solution to any problem? And despite the difficulties involved, is it rewarding to adapt to that? And Rust basically has all of these qualities. It helps you to write very fast code. Until now, if you wanted to write something fast, you would probably use C, C++. And if you are a novice in these languages, your program will have bugs that would be difficult to identify. However, in Rust, if you will try to write the same program which is broken, the compiler will refuse to compile and will also explain the problem to you. Here everything is typed, so you do not overrun the buffer and you do not need to always explicitly remember to free memory. It has many great features, like it is perfectly designed language. While learning Rust through our course, you will also learn the best coding practices and you will deal with some well-written code. In this course, we have explained all the features of Rust step by step, hands-on. We have explained how Rust has strong focus on speed, safety, and concurrency, how here concepts are easily expressed because they have algebraic data types, how it removes a lot of unnecessary garbage, how it has a straightforward object model, it adds modern tooling, and this is just starting of the course. This course will be updated regularly as per the new feedback of the users. All your feedback will be inculcated in the course and we will always improve this course on regular basis wherever there is a new feedback from the student or wherever there is a new release from the Mozilla community. As per that, this course will be regularly updated. The price might increase after the course gets updated, but all the future updates will be free for existing students. Without ado, I welcome you to the course. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. All the